Welcome to OpenText Experts. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Ishaq, and I work on the technical support team. Today, I want to talk to you about some common issues in Documentum that we have seen and how to fix them. Let's get started. Chapters for the topics are below, so feel free to skip ahead to the section most relevant to you. For Documentum D2, we have seen many instances where D2 JMS log is not generated. This log is crucial for troubleshooting D2 issues on Documentum Server. If this is happening to you, then try adding additional parameters into logback.xml in JMS, as explained in this KB article. Talking about troubleshooting D2 issues, it may also be necessary to enable debug logging so we could gather additional information on the application flow before the incident occurred. This video KB article provides easy to follow steps to enable debugging in D2. Documentum Client Manager extension is normally installed in Google Chrome through the Google Chrome Web Store. But what if your environment restricts access to the web store? This KB article provides steps to install the extension manually, so you could still continue performing content transfer in D2. If you install Documentum Server with SQL Server, you may experience performance problems with the database. Either it is stuck on long-running queries, or it causes high CPU in its host. This KB article highlights the parameters that enable you to tackle this performance issue. You may have experienced a situation recently where suddenly Documentum Webtop shows a blank screen when performing various operations in Google Chrome. Why does this happen? Turns out, there is a known issue with Webtop after Chrome is upgraded to the specific 85 version. Refer to this KB article to obtain the fix that is relative to your Webtop version. And that concludes OpenText Experts. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can bring you more helpful content. Also, let us know in the comments below what other customer support issues you'd like us to talk about in upcoming videos. So I'll see you next time. Bye.